Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today we are going to be doing a Taba squishy. Bondcrafter sent me this Taba squishy kit. I'm going to show you what is in the kit, and then after we go through the kit, I'm going to have my granddaughter, who is here visiting from Florida. She is so excited. She wants to do the Taba squishies with me, so let's go through and see what the kit has. We have this mold here. We have this little mold. Looks like the little hamster. We have some pigments here. We have blue pigment, white, green, yellow, and pink. We also have 2 pair of gloves. We have some 1 ounce little measuring cups. A couple of these plastic measuring cups. We have, let's get this out. We have part A and part B of the flex rubber. We have the instructions and a couple stir sticks. So I'm going to go through the instructions. I believe you can do this by weight or by volume. And then once I get this set up and I have my granddaughter, she's going to choose which mold she wants to use, what pigments she wants to use, and then I'll get her mic'd up and we will make a top squishy together. This should be a lot of fun. So stick around and I will see you shortly. Okay, I am back, and Gabby, say hi, Gabby.
Hi.
We are, she wants to do this one in, what color did you want to do this one in?
Pink.
The pink, and you want to do the hamster in the
blue.
So I have one of these little plastic cups.
To hold the hamster?
To hold this in, right? Mm-hmm. Because the mold will flop over. Mm-hmm. And I see I have something in this mold. I don't know how it got in there. So get that out.
Yep.
I'm gonna measure out 4 ounces of silicone. And once I get that measured out, I will return. So I'm gonna put half of this in here. So I'm gonna open up the pink one. And we're going to get a little bit of this on there like that. We'll stick that in there. And then we're going to open up the blue one. Open it up. And stick some of this dye in the blue one. I don't know how much dye we need. We'll go there. Get this out. Okay, let me mix up the pink. So that's good, right? Does that look good, Gabriella? You can talk, sweetheart. Does that look good?
Yeah.
Look in the cup. Is that pink enough?
Yep.
Okay. Is that blue looking good?
Let me see.
Is that blue looking good?
That's very light. I like light blue.
It's going to get a little darker because there's still blue on the stick.
That's good.
Okay, I'm going to put this in my vacuum chamber for a couple minutes, and then I will be right back. So we got put this through the vacuum chamber. And I'm gonna, yeah, that's good. And I'm going to pour the pink one. And I want to make sure that we get the little parts that have the like little ears and stuff. I want to make sure we get those in there. Now I know some people use Vaseline, but it didn't say to use Vaseline for these molds here, so I didn't. So
Is Vaseline bad for the molds?
what's that?
Is Vaseline bad for the molds?
No, not for these.
Oh, okay.
Usually when you make Taba squishies, you
Need Vaseline.
use Vaseline in the molds, but I didn't in this one. So I'm going to pop this out for now.
Ooh.
And we're going to pour that in. I'm going to give a little squeeze with the ears just to make sure that the ears get some in there. So I'm going to put that back in there. See, I have a little bubble in there. We're going to pick that bubble out. There we go. Now we're going to finish filling it. This might end up being a two-tone. Would you mind that very much, Gabby? Yeah. If I made this a two-tone, if I made this a pink and a blue? Because I have a lot of pink left. I obviously didn't divide it up enough.
That's cute.
So his butt's going to be pink, okay? Or it might be marbled effect. It's going to be cute. Okay, I'm going to come out this way. And then we're going to let this set for about 2 hours. And then once the 2 hours is up, I'm going to come back and check and see if it's cured because it's really warm in my room. So let me finish scraping this out. It's really warm in my room, so it shouldn't take more than 2 hours. But however long it takes for this to cure, I'll let you know. And it looks like it's seeping over. We don't want that to happen. But we can fix it, right, Gabby? Right, Gabby?
Yes.
Camera shy?
Not that much. I just don't want to talk over you.
You're not talking over me, baby.
I'm trying my best.
It seems like
It's like a cotton candy one.
Yeah, it looks like I got poured too much in this one.
That's fine.
We can fix it.
It looks like cotton candy. That's my favorite colors. Blue, pink, purple, and a dark pink.
Yeah.
Like a rose.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a paper towel.
And cover it?
And I'm going to soak up some of that.
Oh.
So, like that. And then I'm going to scoop that back in there, like so.
That's good.
And that should be good. So, yeah. So we'll be back as soon as this cures. This is ready. I did take it and peeled it back a little ways. And we have Gabriella here. Say hi, Gabby.
Hi.
And then what we're going to do is, Gabby's the one, she's going to unmold it. I have a bowl of water here. It is easier to unmold Taba squishies in water. This is just warm water. And we're going to submerge. We're going to do this mold first. We're going to submerge it in, and we're going to see if Gabriella can unmold it. And then we'll move on to this one. So it's in the water. Stick your hands in the water, girlfriend, and just do it easy. You're going to go on this side here a little bit. Wait, let's go on this side. Let's get this side pulled back. Watch. Let me see. I'll let you do it. Let me just get this. See how I'm using my thumb, girl? See that? I'm easing it out with my thumb. I'm not pulling on it. I'm not stretching it. And then I'm going to give it to you. Let me just get it started for you. Okay, and you want to slowly just roll it out with your thumbs. There you go. Okay, pull it out. Let's see what we got. Aww. What do you think?
It's a bear.
Is he cute? Let's see. Oh, he's so cute. Here's what we got. I'll show you the first one. Do a little bit of cleanup. Isn't he cute? He came out of the mold really nice. He's got a different texture than the other Taba squishies. He's not, let me dry him off. Make sure I'm not talking out of turn here. Get a baby wipe. Because most Taba squishies are super sticky. You do not need any flocking with these. That's got a weird texture. What do you think about that? Do you like it?
And he will be fine. This one's so cute.
You like them?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the other one.
Can you check if that one's good?
It should be ready. I mean, we've let these sit overnight because by time.
Can I feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's ready.
Yeah, because by time it was, I don't know why they have this down here. This don't look like it even goes as part of the mold. I was trying to do it, but let me just get this out, okay, Gabby? But I went to wake her up, or not wake her up, but I went to tell her that this was ready last night because it was ready after 4 hours. My room is really warm. But she was sleeping, so I thought we would try. I'm going to get that started for you.
We should try. So I was sleeping because I was tired.
Right, and I thought we'd at least give this a try
Tomorrow.
Today after breakfast. So we had breakfast, and here we are trying it. I have my other granddaughter in here with us, Clara. Want to say hi, Clara?
Hi.
Clara, her birthday is tomorrow?
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah. How old are you going to be?
She's going to be 13.
13. This one I'm going to help you out a little bit because he's stuck down in there. You don't mind, do you?
Yeah.
I just don't want his ears to rip. Okay. Are you ready to see this one, Gabby?
Yeah.
Okay, take a peek at him. Tell me what you think.
Oh. He's so cute.
He's cute.
Chubby.
He's cute. Hold him up to the camera so they can see. Here, I'll show you. I'll do it. This is the other Taba squishy that comes with that mold. So we get, you want to feel him, Clara? Let Clara feel him. Go in the camera so they can see. Oh, he's cute. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys look at him 1 second. So
he's a different texture.
He's not a regular texture of a Taba squishy, is he, Clara? No. So in the mold, for the Taba squishies, I'm gonna move this out of the way. We have this little guy here. He's really cute.
Yeah, show him the bottom.
Oh.
It's a two-tone.
Two-tone, yeah. You don't really need any. I see some of the
dye.
No, it's not. I thought it was. It's from the edge of this. That I'm pulling it up. But you don't need any flocking for him.
Because he's rough.
Yeah, he's got a really unusual texture. And the same with this little bear. He's got his.
We thought it was a dog for a second, but now it's a bear because we know.
Yeah, it looks like a bear.
Or it's a bunny. I don't know.
No, it looks like a bear.
Yeah, it looks like a bear.
But that's Want to hold him, Clara? In the camera. Isn't that cute? So these are the two Taba squishies that Bond Crafter offer in their kit. I will have the Bond Crafter discount code and the link to the kit in the description box. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. To my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. Y'all have a great day, and God bless. Bye. Okay, Gabriella, what do you think?
They're very cute, and I like this one.
You like, just hold it right there. It's right
I
there.
like this one because it's so cute, and I like hamsters. And we thought this was a dog for a second, but I like both very much. Bye.